The higher the wattage, the faster the charging time. We are the only one that has anything like that when it comes to indoor charging. Lots of people love the fact that they can very quickly charge devices even if they have more than one. If you always have more than one device plugged in, then the 65 watt is a good choice if you want those devices to charge as quickly as possible. If you plug in two iPads to the 65 watt USB charger, both are going to charge at just over 30 watts each, and that's going to give you really quick charging for a big device like that.